While packing for your next trip, one important decision you'll have to make is whether you're going to check a bag or travel with a carry-on. This choice depends on a number of factors, including where you're traveling, what you need to pack, your travel style, your budget, and the airline's rules. This video outlines the pros and cons of traveling with checked vs carry-on luggage. We'll cover travel costs, wait times, security, convenience, and more. We'll also talk about luggage weight and size limits, and what you can and cannot pack and carry on and checked bags. Carry-on refers to luggage that you bring with you into the cabin of an airplane. Your carry-on luggage is stored either in the overhead bin above your seat or under the seat in front of you. Carry-on luggage is sometimes referred to as hand luggage or cabin baggage. The term carry-on can also refer to luggage that you bring into the passenger compartment of a bus or train. Checked baggage is luggage that is stored in the cargo hold of the plane during the flight. On a train, checked baggage is stored in a baggage car. On a bus, checked baggage is stored in the cargo area under the bus. Your checked bag is inaccessible during the flight, bus ride, or train ride. Your checked bag could be a large suitcase, backpack, or duffel bag. Using carry-on luggage saves time. When you only travel with a carry-on, you don't have to wait around the baggage claim after your flight. You can walk straight out of the airport with your carry-on. This saves you 20-40 minutes. Traveling with a carry-on saves you money. Luggage fees vary by airline and by route. Most airlines allow you to bring one carry-on bag and one personal item for free. If you can fit all of your clothing and travel gear in those bags, you won't pay any luggage fees. You don't have to worry about the airline losing your luggage. You are the only one who handles your carry-on luggage. It is with you at all times while you're in transit. While you're on the plane, train, or bus, it will be in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. Carry-on luggage is lighter and more compact. Most airlines limit carry-on luggage to somewhere between 15 and 35 pounds, 7-15 kg. When it comes to size, carry-on bags must measure less than 9x 14x 22 or 45 linear inches on most airlines. Your belongings are less likely to get damaged in your carry-on bag. When you use a carry-on bag, you are the only one who handles it. Your luggage won't get tossed around or mistreated. When you travel with a carry-on, you know that any fragile travel gear is safe. Some items are prohibited in carry-on bags. Airlines are pretty strict about what you can and can't pack in your carry-on. Rules vary from airline to airline and by country to country. If you try to pass through security with a prohibited item, it will be confiscated or you'll be asked to go check your bag. Carry-on luggage has a strict weight limit. On most airlines, the maximum carry-on weight is 10 kilos or 22 pounds. Budget airlines often limit carry-ons to 5-7 kg, 11-15 pounds. To compare, most airlines limit checked bag weight to 23 kg or 50 pounds. You can't carry nearly as much with you when you travel with a carry-on. Space is limited in a carry-on. The most common carry-on size limit is 22 inches x 14 inches x 9 inches, 22 cm x 35 cm x 56 cm, or this size measurement includes handles, pockets, wheels, etc. In terms of volume, the largest carry-on acceptable bags give you 40-45 liters of space to work with at the most. You have to carry your luggage through the airport and load and unload it. When you travel with a carry-on, you have to carry your luggage through the airport. This means you'll have to carry your bag all the way through ticketing, through security, to your gate, and onto the plane. Carrying your luggage through a busy airport can be a hassle. You might have to pay for your carry-on. These days, some airlines have begun charging a fee for carry-on bags. This is common on budget airlines. Oftentimes, the charge for a carry-on is the same or even more than a checked bag. There are few restrictions on what you can pack in your checked luggage. There are many items that can't pack in a carry-on that you can check. For example, you can check bulky and heavy sporting and outdoor equipment including bicycles, surfboards, golf clubs, camping gear, and fishing poles. You don't have to worry as much about the weight of your luggage when you check it. Most airlines allow checked bags to weigh up to 23 kilos or 50 pounds. To compare, carry-on bags must weigh less than 10 kg, 22 pounds on most. Checked bags can be much larger. Most airlines allow bags up to 62 linear inches, around 158 cm. A standard size checked suitcase measures 27x21x14. A suitcase of this size allows you to carry enough clothing and travel gear for any length of trip. You don't have to carry your luggage through the airport or load it and unload it from the plane. You simply drop your checked bag off at the ticketing counter when you check in. This means you only have to carry your luggage from the drop-off point to the ticketing counter. If you don't feel like carrying your luggage, you can use curbside check-in for a small fee. You can pack clothes for every situation. When you check a bag, you have enough space for all of the clothing you could need. For example, you can pack formal clothing for going out, business clothing for work, swimwear for going to the beach or pool, activewear for going to the gym, and casual clothing for sightseeing and relaxing. Checking luggage costs money. Most airlines charge a fee to check a bag. The fee varies by airline and by route. On average, checking a bag costs $25, $50 each way. Some airlines offer a $5, $10 discount on checked bags if you pay your checked bag fee online when you book your ticket. Traveling with a checked bag takes more time. When you arrive at the airport, you have to wait in line at the ticketing counter to check your bag. At some airports, you may have to wait in line for 20-30 minutes. The airline can lose your checked bag. Airlines lose luggage all the time. When you check your bag, there is a chance that the airline will lose it. According to CETA, 3.5 bags per 1,000 passengers are mishandled, lost, delayed, damaged, or stolen. Most of these bags are delayed or damaged. Your luggage can get damaged by baggage handlers. Airline luggage handlers are notoriously hard on bags. They throw them, stack them, and drop them without a care. Damaged luggage is common. You can't fly standby when you check a bag. When your original flight gets canceled or delayed, airlines often put you on the standby list and try to fit you on another flight. If the new flight leaves soon, they'll ask if you checked luggage. Thank you everyone for watching us till the end. It would be a great pleasure for us if you were a little help with this video. Comment us below.